same time. Hopefully, if you have any questions, feel free to comment on either of them, any of them, and if we don't answer while we're on here, we'll
They're
get back
probably
to you.
on just one of them.
Right.
Yeah.
No, you don't watch us on all three at the same time. That'd be silly. Almost as silly as us having this set up. But anyway, hey Debbie, hey Rena, how are you? All right, so today we're talking about what BOGOs are available and what we do with them, why you might want to have them if you don't have them already. What I said earlier was that if you don't have them, you should try them. And if you already have them, you know you want more because Holiday Peace isn't available all the time. And it's one of those ones that I'm always afraid I'm going to run out of. It just smells amazing. I love it in the diffuser any time of the year. It's really beautiful. I don't know. Do you want to add anything to that?
No, I love it. I like to put it in our soaps this time of year. So all of our, bathroom soap, kitchen soap, any of those soaps. And to me, like, I think of it as more emotional support too. Like the oils in it are there to kind of help you, in my mind, deal with kind of the holiday craziness.
Yeah, I don't think that's what it was developed. I think they had the scent in mind, but the oils that are in here, I'm just going to go through them a little bit. Siberian fir, grapefruit, Douglas fir, Himalayan fir, that's exciting, and frankincense, and vetiver. So, I mean, those oils, all those firs, right, they just smell like trees, obviously. Hey, Joy. Hey, Jessica. And then you add in vetiver, which is this amazing root that has all these calming effects, and then frankincense. I mean, it's just like the perfect holiday option. All of those are really amazing for what you just said, like this grounding, but then also this amazing, like, sort of uplifting smell that just makes you feel kind of confident and not so worried, maybe, which maybe that tends to happen a little bit more this time of year.
I just wonder,
comfort in
how
these.
many of you guys have it? If you put in the comments.
Share with us if you already have Holiday Peace. And I
Yeah.
know we've got a lot of great comments coming about how you guys use these. So share it. But with this vetiver in here and these firs, if something you struggle with is sleep, if you have kind of restless sleep, it could be amazing for that. It's the whole tree. It really is. It's like 4 trees in a bottle, right? Really amazing. It'd be great also to add to cleaning products like that you would use for actually cleaning, because especially wood, cleaning woods with woods is a really great way to kind of preserve them and add life back into them. So replace some of those cleaning products like Pine Sol, or what else do people clean with? I forget now.
Oh, I know, it's been so long. Lysol?
Yeah, like
Is that a
wood
thing?
polishes.
Yeah.
It's a really great ingredient.
So for like tabletops?
Yeah, just with a little olive oil and massage that in and rub it down, and it's just going to add a really nice sheen.
What about like hardwood floors? Like we have that mop where you
can add
you can
water.
spray it, yeah.
Well, you're supposed to add cleaner, but we add some water, maybe with some vinegar, and then something like this would be amazing in there. So it's got the citrus.
I might just mop the floors tomorrow just to make the house smell like that.
You're a nerd, but I really love it. Another really simple thing that you could do is put it on some like a linen, like a washcloth, or makes a fancy little you know how we used to have anyways, those scented bags that you would put in a dresser drawer.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be really amazing in there too, because a lot of these will prevent moths and the different bugs that kind of get into our sweaters and all those different kinds of things. So really great option
kept
for
mice
that.
out. That'd be nice.
Oh, mice are relentless sometimes, but it might help. Actually, it might help. And other really simple thing that you can do. So your diffusing is like the hands down probably the most obvious way to use these oils. Combined, separate, added in other things, diffusing is an amazing. And I just read up a whole thing about how diffusing these oils in our home it does so much good for us. It makes our space warm and inviting and creates this lovely atmosphere, but it also helps us prevent using other products that smell.
Like candles.
What else do people use?
Those plug-ins.
Room sprays, plug-ins, all of those things are highly toxic. And it's hard to tell just by looking at the package, because you think, oh, Johnson & Johnson, it's a family company. They want to kill all our family. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, no, partly joking. If it has that label on it, I highly recommend you try using something else for a little while and see if you feel better, because a lot of these little things add up in our home environment and totally make it less healthy. So this is healthy, smells amazing.
Yeah, and this time of year, everybody wants their house to smell like the holiday season.
Beautiful, right.
Beautiful. Except for those people yesterday that said they hate the smell of Christmas trees.
Yeah.
We had like a class of like 6 people and 4 of them.
No, I hate it. We have a fake tree.
Said they hate the smell of Christmas trees.
But they did end up, we made something with them and they actually ended up loving it. We added ginger and some things to Douglas fir.
I wonder if maybe it's because all they had ever smelled was synthetic. Although, no, they said they didn't like the essential oil.
Well, on its own.
Yeah. But, you know, like being able to take this, which is really not expensive at all. And I mean, this is like the equivalent of a lot of candles.
250 probably candles.
Yeah. And
if you're using it in a diffuser, you could use this combination, like 2 drops of each. That'd be 125 times you get to use this combination, right?
Right.
So it's a long, long time.
And you're cleaning the air.
And a diffuser can run
healthy
for like up to 10 hours. So, you know, it's a really long time.
Yeah.
Okay. So this has amazing properties for the mood, also for cleaning the air, sanitizing, all of those different things. Citrus Bliss at the same time, also really good. Trying to show everybody Citrus Bliss. What does it have in it? Drew, do you want to read these ingredients for us?
Oh man,
strain my eyes
I almost
Can
need
you
glasses
see it?
now. Yeah, wild orange, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, bergamot, tangerine, clementine, and vanilla bean.
So it has that little hint.
Which vanilla bean's not in an essential oil.
It's not. No, it is a
For a while,
an absolute.
I wondered how there was such a sweet essential oil.
But it is. It's very sweet smelling. And it does taste really good. Citrus Bliss in popsicles, Citrus Bliss and Drew mentioned
margaritas
in your cocktails. You can.
You don't have to do. You can do virgin
You can
ones.
make virgin ones. The kids love it when we mix just a little bit of like a fruit syrup flavoring with some sparkling water.
Oh, you know what my favorite though really is putting them in sparkling water.
Yeah,
just
so
regular
easy.
old sparkling water.
Just straight.
It makes it taste so much better.
Yeah. And it makes you drink more too, because it's like satiating that that bubbly need, the craving for the bubbles, the carbonation.
But I remember the last time I did it, like in the summer, I was just like, man, this really tastes good. Like,
but during the holidays, make a nice punch and add a few drops of this to increase the immune system. It's got super powerful immune boosting properties. So, so it's just a really great way to kind of kill germs before they even bother you, or at a holiday function where everybody's coughing and sneezing and gross. So, definitely try that. And then, what else was I going to say? No, I forget. Oh, you can make some really nice products like a sugar scrub with Citrus Bliss for your hands, and it makes a really great gift too, and costs you so little. We're having some tech difficulties. So little. Get a mason jar or a fancy jar. We got some really great jars at the Dollar Tree that you put about a cup of sugar and about a half a cup of olive oil, and then maybe 4 to 5 drops Citrus Bliss. And it smells incredible and is really great to just massage into your hands and then rinse off. It's like a exfoliation that can't be beat. And also as a sugar or a lip sugar scrub for your lips, it's really, really amazing. So that makes a really luxurious gift for people, and you probably spend about $6 total. And they feel like, you know, they got this really nice high-end spa product. So, oh, hey, Lori. Hey, Sam. Is Sam Eyes? Yeah? I don't know.
Sam Eyes Toes?
Sam So's? Sammy So's, yes. Okay, cool. All right, well, everyone, I hope this is exciting for you, that you're going to take advantage, get a few maybe for your friends and family, but participate in the, remember, if you do get a BOGO each day, you get to enter our larger contest, which includes a ton of really fun prizes, and that is in our Essentially Old Orcs group. If you're not a member, we welcome you, so feel free to reach out to us if you're not in there already. Some of you are viewing this from that group, so I know you're in there. But go ahead and comment on that post or the post for today, just sharing how you love these 2 oils or how you're excited to use these oils to be entered to win another small package. So that's, I think, all we've got.
Yeah, I'd say again, I know we talked about it yesterday, but again, this is a great anti-anxiety essential oil. We got that webinar coming up on Monday.
Yes.
So make sure you,
if you want to register,
get registered.
Look for the link in our emails. Or
it's super simple. I made it easy. Schoolhouseoils.net. That's all you gotta do. Schoolhouseoils.net.
And you can register.
And you can go register, and it's free, open to everybody.
It is at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if you want to watch live. But you can also watch the replay. So if you've registered, you can watch the replay.
Yep.
Okay?
But yeah. Thanks, everybody.
That's it. All right, everybody have a really great night. Enjoy this cold, dark evening. getting ready for holidays. All right. We'll talk to you again soon.